there, I'm Tiffany Kent, your certified financial planner, and welcome to Elevate Your Equity, where we make the complex world of finance fun, engaging, and most importantly, easy to navigate. Welcome to the most thrilling game in town, tax optimization. It's not just about paying your dues, it's also about smart strategies that keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. So imagine taxes as a game of chess. You can move your pieces or dollars strategically to maximize benefits. Just moving pawns though without thought? That's like ignoring tax-saving opportunities, a surefire way to checkmate your wallet. Now, let's spin the wheel of tax efficiency. From retirement account contributions to tax loss harvesting, each spin can land you on a square that saves you money. Success in this game looks a lot like a well-played match of chess, where you're legally optimizing your tax liabilities. It's like the feeling of triumph when you find extra savings, like discovering a $20 bill in your old jeans. Failure? That's like playing darts blindfolded and hoping to hit the bullseye. Without a tax strategy, you're likely missing out on savings and throwing money away. But don't worry, you don't need to be a tax whiz. With the right advice, a few clever moves, you can transform your tax obligations into opportunities for growth. No blindfolds needed here. So all right, financial adventurers, it's time to take action. You've seen the game, you've got the strategies, now it's time to make it happen. Step 1, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Let's help you get notified with our latest videos, and I'll share more insider tips and tricks to evaluate your financial game. And lastly, schedule a consultation with me. Let's sit down and map out your personalized tax strategy. Together, we'll navigate the tax maze and find those hidden savings you've been missing.